Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Hey Ray. Today we have a 20, I think it's a 12, maybe it's a 14. Actually, no, I think it is a 14. Yes, 2014 Honda Odyssey. Customer states that the alternator went bad on him the other day, and when he got the old alternator out of there, it was oily as can be. So, if you know anything about alternators, you know that alternators and lots of oil don't mix with each other. So on these Hondas, it's a pretty common issue to have oil running down across the alternator, and you'll have multiple alternator failures within a short period of time if you have this. And usually it's a pretty easy fix. Usually it's this VVT solenoid pack that's leaking, and some of the gaskets are a little hard to find, but O'Reilly's has them on hand, and it's a Mahle gasket. Here's the number, GS34049. So we'll get this thing removed and replaced, and I'll show you how to do that. It's pretty simple, but this is going to be a little bit of a short video, but I'm going to try to keep it as informative as possible. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can get this thing switched out in just a jiffy. Contact! So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove these plug-ins here. Squeeze that. Squeeze that. And I think that I can remove that very easily without having to move all of this out of the way. So let's just see if that's the case. First of all, let's clean it up. All right. Clean. Thoroughly. Ah, you can't get it on the plastic connectors. You'll ruin them. No, we won't. All right. I think some places say you have to replace the whole solenoid pack. I'm not sure, but that's what I've heard. Whether that's true or not, I don't know, but you do not have to do that. So, unless one of the solenoids are bad, which is a very good possibility, and somebody ruined my blowgun. It's broke. All right. Let's get our wobbly bits. This is a 10 millimeter here. Remove that one. Remove that one. Stay on there. And this one I know for certain. Hey. Too thick. That's what she said. All right. This one comes out. Now I think that just slides right off of there, and it do. So here's your problem. This thing here gets extremely hard and brittle. Now, I want to make sure that that's all clean. There's a little bit of junk on there. Then we take this. We pry this out of here. Oh yeah. It is smashed flat. It should not be that way. Also, how many people knew that Mahle does this? Makes it very nice. Come in. Get out of there. This one's for the back, and as long as it's not leaking, we ain't changing it, because I'm not about that kind of work today. It's too much work. Now you do want to be careful you don't get any kind of dirt down in here, because this is where that would cause major issues with our variable valve timing. So, alright, the spool valve in here, we definitely don't want to get it dirty either. So we'll just leave all the oil there. This thing's clean. This goes on here. And now we have a nice pliable seal. It's wunderbar. Alright. Back in we go. Make sure that that seal doesn't fall out of there. With your x-ray vision, make sure that that's on there right. This goes in here. And this thing would actually leak a fair amount of oil. I mean, it was like noticeable. As soon as you'd clean it up, you'd start seeing another oil pattern show up there. So we'll be able to tell pretty quickly if this fixed it or not, which we know it did. We just got to make sure we put it back together correctly. Put that in there. Put this here. Clip that on there. Take and remove this and this. Clean this off. Then we'll torque this to spec, which is a wrist click. Don't need much more than that. Click and click. All right. So need to redirect our flow. Clean that all up. Get the blowgun again. Get my dog all excited again. There we go. Does anybody else's dog do this? There's something about an air hose that he does not like. He gets violent. Such violence. Violence is never the answer. Alright. Let's start this thing up and see how bad it leaks. Better not leak at all. Contact. And there you have it. No more leaks. And that is how you save that alternator down there, because that thing is no fun to change. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go down in the comments section and let me know that. Commenting helps out my videos. So please do that if you don't mind. If you do, well, I guess you don't have to. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.